have to know that you have gone into a dangerous business. Even when you are leaving your wife going in the field, it is either you come alive or you're a dead person. That is something that one has to know and accept when you join in as a ranger. Conservation South Ruangwa, we operate in a park of 9,050 square kilometers. The helicopter has been coming in to help us so that we can patrol as much as possible because it is very difficult during the rain season.
The reason I don't want you to think you can go straight like that is it works that side, but what if the poacher is that side? So we train the mind, so we always go there.
The chopper works to our advantage because immediately a message comes in, then we put in a 4-man team that can be dropped in all hotspots that we have identified in the park. Because it also helps us in pinpointing where the poachers are going, and it is easy for you to pick a 4-man team, take the team from one point to another point so that they can continue chasing the poachers. The helicopter has got a lot of advantages. By just the people hearing that we have got a chopper operating in the South Ruangwa National Park, it will be a deterrent. A lot of people won't come in because they know that it will be easy for us to follow them and find them. I believe a crime against Mother Nature is a crime to every one of us. We depend on these animals, they depend on us. So we need to protect them.